In this video, I will show you how to scan documents with your phone using CamScanner. CamScanner is actually an application that you can simply install on your phone to be able to capture your documents or scan your documents using your phone. So to get started, go ahead and open CamScanner on your device. You'll need to install the app on your device. Now, once you have that installed, you can go ahead and hit on that camera icon at the bottom right of your screen. Select while using the app, and in here facing your camera, go ahead and place the file that you want to scan. So make sure that you're actually placing it, and this shape is actually covering the entire document. So hit on that capture button, and that will immediately capture the document that you have in hand. So that will look like this, which means that that document will look exactly like it has been scanned using a scanner, a printer, which actually is just scanned using CamScanner. So once you're satisfied on how it looks, you can go ahead and save that. You can also get the text from the photo of the file by clicking on the extract text tool, and you'll immediately be able to get the text in a canvas. So you can go ahead and save that, and for the next step, you can go ahead and download that as a file, or you can also add a new set of documents for this. So that's basically how you can scan documents with your phone using CamScanner. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.